doing a post?
No, just not.
Oh. I'd rather you didn't.
Are they easy to use?
Yeah, they are. I mean, it's easy to fly into stuff if you're not concentrating or you're trying to do too many things at once.
Haven't you just got a return on there?
You do, but that's only for emergency.
Well, believe it or not, it's a dreadful day, but we're actually making progress. And the reason we're making progress is that we're digging off an area, but we're not walking on what we've dug off. Here we are, we're in the office. It's Johnny Boy here and I'm with my nephew Luke. He's over there, he's very, very shy. And the reason Luke's in is because what happened? What happened to...
Andy didn't want to come in, did he?
Andy.
Out on the booze.
Yeah, Andy too. And we've known Andy for a long time, haven't we, Luke?
Yeah.
How long now?
20 odd years.
Yeah, 20 odd years, a bit of history. Luke's getting older as well, he's going greyer as well, like, you know, and slowing up, he can't move as fast as he used to. But what we've done this morning, we've got it dug. We've got the next project, the next patio that we're going to be doing. We've got it dug, and it's not muddy because we didn't walk on what we were digging off, and it's good. Good, we've got a bit of sub-base in. So on to the next one. I've just come to help my my nephew out now, and you know, he's a great lad, he's a good worker, he really knows how to do the daily grind and what it's all about. There's a few rules that he should have followed when doing his paving. You know what it's all about, we all learn, and we all learn later on in life, but it just amazes me that he's working with a company that the guy there is a senior guy, and he probably regards this. I'm not going to show it you, but because it's level, it's, you know, the levels are right, but just the gaps and the slabs, and there's a few that's up and down, and obviously the cross joints as well. And I don't want to, I'm not slating anyone at all, and but it just seems it's just a sad affair when the guy that he's working with should be sort of giving him a little bit more advice and leaving him to crack on with this project. And it was definitely a two-man job here, you know. Just have a quick look, you can see it's a big old job, and I'm not going to even go down and show you the paving, but there's things like set squares and string lines. You know, string line is just not for one side, it's for four sides, and maybe a running line through the middle as well at the same time. But it's not good when the guy that's running the company is a senior guy, been doing it a long time, and you're not giving the right advice. So like I said, just coming here, I don't know what to say really. So I'm not going to, like I said, I'm not going to show the work. I think it's fair, but there's a few rules that they could have applied, and overhanging the slabs to give it a drip off the steps, and the steps are dirty, there's cement in the mixer, in the wheelbarrow. You know, it happens to us now and again, the shops are filthy, it's just bad practice. And the senior guy come in, and if he sees us on YouTube later, I think you need to sort of have a few lessons yourself in sort of site management at least, because it's just a mess. All of it is just a mess. Everything around it is just it's just chaos. It's not even organised chaos, and sad. I'm not here to criticise anybody. I wasn't meant to criticise anyone. Well, I am now, I suppose, but I'm not naming anybody. But this is the environment that you wouldn't want to be working in, because everything is just bad practice. All of it is just not good at all.